Alright, so after you've pulled your cartridge out, which is messed up, the black rubber pieces were all broken and tore up, probably some of their problem that they had. Here's the new one. There's a little tab right here that says HC. It's right there. That goes up. Also, you can see how this is tapered right here, and this side too. And there's an extra little tapered piece at the end. You have to flip that to the bottom. So I have the camera under my chin. Don't know if you can see, but this is what you should do. That has to be turned like that. So now that you have the flat piece on top with the KC sign up, that's how you would put it in. Then you're going to want to use some plumber's grease, like I was saying. You're going to want to put some on the rubber piece here. And just with that dab that I just put, should be enough for all the rubber pieces around after you've smeared it around. Maybe not. After you've done that, you can put the piece back in, or your cartridge. Remember, KC up, flat piece all the way up. That goes right back in. And if you can't get it to that point, inside the bag, they give you this cool little tool. Put that over it, and with some channel locks or some pliers, you just push in. I'm looking for my channel locks. Bear with me, peeps. Once it's all the way in, you can remove the little tool. Don't forget that very important piece. Which is now on. It's that piece right there. Let me get a little flashlight. That little pin piece right there. So now it's held in place. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the way the pin goes in. Now that's the way the pin should fit. Okay, I just turned my water back on. Now we're going to test it. Get all that air out. And that's about what we want. Now, just to reassemble everything back together. And I'll check back with you people in a sec. Remember, you didn't want to move those gears, so it's very important that you don't. Now let's give it the ultimate test. Putting the handle on. Turning on our water. Let it hot. Cold. Does the water stop dripping? Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Hallelujah!